Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts, winds 34 knots or greater in small hail, located along the line extending from near Pahokee to 17 nautical miles south of Moorhaven, moving northeast to 10 knots. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Now for the official